In this video, we'll be installing compression lugs on a NF 400 amp panel board. The first step is to remove the mechanical lugs on the NF panel board. Next, we'll install the lug pads onto the NF bus bars. The lug pad is composed of two different parts. These need to remain together. We'll be using the hardware that came in the bag assembly to reinstall the lugs. The next step is to put the lugs over the studs of the lug pad assembly. Next, we install the caps nuts that hold them in place. Next, we'll remove the neutral lug and install the new compression lug. Use the new longer screws that came with the kit. Next, we need to torque all of our connections to the torque specified in the instruction bulletin.